Kia ora tātou, my name's Sarah Hynds and I am one of the directors at the Education Group. Today I'd like to share with you one of our workshops called Managing Challenging Conversations. None of us like to have challenging conversations, but they are necessary from time to time. Some of the benefits of this course are that we provide you with conversational frameworks which support you to take an evidence-based approach to these conversations. Workshop participants will be able to have opportunities to share problems of practice, engage in recrafting, rescripting conversations that maybe they've had in the past or perhaps that they need to have in the future. This workshop will help you to understand why we find these conversations so challenging. And it will also show you ways in which you can have these very important conversations within a safe and supportive learning environment for you. Another key benefit is that the issues that we often have in schools are due to the conversations that we don't have, those conversations that we avoid. Learning how to have these conversations safely and respectfully will improve your school culture, whether it's down to planning expectations or expectations around engagement with students or parents. And they're an incredibly important part of being a school leader. So I look forward to you joining us at the next Managing Challenging Conversations workshop. Simply go onto our website at theeducationgroup.co.nz and click on our workshop tab. Look forward to seeing you there. Ka kite.